everyone. Today we are here with our project CoviKidSafe. Actually, this project is the prevention against the COVID-19 for the children below the age of 15. The vaccination is also not done for these children. So we have founded 4 remedies to our homemade remedies and to our medicines like remedies. These remedies are only for prevention. If they feel any symptoms, they can use and cure it. But it is not for the final cure. If they tested positive, they have to consult a doctor. So let us start with our first remedy, which is Chirayu Cough Tulsi Strong Syrup. So you can see this. This is the syrup and this is the packaging, and it is inside it. It is the bottle. It is the bottle, and you can see it. It is of Cough Tulsi of Chirayu company, Cough Tulsi strong syrup. You can see this is the syrup actually we are prescribing. Our next remedy is Tresoil oil, or this is of J&J Dichen Tresoil oil of this company. We also attached a photograph in our research document. Now we have going to move of our third remedy. So which is ginger with honey. Now you can see this is the honey. We have taken the honey, and this is the ginger, and we have almost taken about this amount of ginger, and then you have to grate it properly. Now we are grating the ginger, and it is grated almost, and we have to squeeze the juice from it. We have grated a small amount. You have to grate according to your need, and then the juices have to be in this honey that we have taken. We have taken a small amount, so 2 to 3 drops in this honey, and then you have to mix it well and then drink it. Now it is ready to drink or to take it. Our fourth remedy is haldi water gargles. When you feel sometimes anything in your cup or anything else, you have to boil some water and take a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi and mix it in that and gargle with this water. You will feel better and it will cure that. Thank you.